I'm Stephanie Chivis, a NASM certified personal trainer, UESEA running coach and yoga instructor with a quick 5-minute yoga flow. For the next few, we're going to embrace the ground, relax, unwind, renew, restore core strength. Very important. Core restore is what I call this. Lay down your mat in a comfy place and let's reboot and rebuild with a series of holding postures that focuses on stretching and breathing. This is a beginner-friendly flow designed to alleviate soreness, work those connective tissues and muscles in the body, and just give your mind a well-deserved moment of reflection. So let's get to it. Now let's come to lying on our back. Just bring the soles of the feet together and let the knees open out wide, finding a reclined butterfly position. One hand on the belly, one on the heart. Just let yourself be heavy here for a moment to your mat. Start to deepen your breath. Deep breath in and deep breath out. One more inhale here. And a nice heavy exhale. Now let's bring the knees together. Plant both feet on your mat. Grab behind your hamstrings. Rock and roll all the way up to a tabletop position. Knees into the hips, palms into the shoulders. We're going to turn the fingertips away from each other. Maybe turn the fingertips all the way towards your knees. And just take a breath in here. Exhale. Let's lean back and deepen that stretch in the wrist. And from here, breathe in. Push the heels of the hands down towards the floor. And exhale, lean back. Just feel the weight shift to your fingertips. Now let's turn the hands to face forward again. Find your tabletop position. And let's gently lower down to your belly now. Legs extended behind you. Now from here, let's find that forearm plank. Walk the forearms forward. Just root the hands into the ground. And make sure your toes are tucked under you back there. From here, inhale. Let's lift the hips off the ground. Just push down through the elbows. Lift your chest a little bit higher. Breathe out. Flex your quads as you inhale here. Just keep your legs active. And take a breath out here. Just engage your core. Keep your hips lifted. Keep your core tight. One more breath in here. And exhale. Let's lower back down. Chest to the mat. Now from here, let's begin to walk these hands slowly by the shoulders. Push up to your tabletop position. Again, we're bringing the palms under the shoulders and the knees under the hips. Let's slowly find a comfortable seat from here on your mat. Let's bring those legs out crossed in front. And we're going to find our boat pose. Move, Zena. Place the soles of the feet on the mat here. We're going to extend the arms out long in front. Just keep your spine long here as you sit. Engage your core and lean back. Let's put those feet off the mat. Now as you inhale here, straighten your legs. Let's let our body come to a V shape. If you can bring the arms up by your ears here, just soften your face, biceps framing the ears. Big inhale, lift through the heart. And exhale, let's find our half boat. So we're going to curl over your pelvis here. Bring your low back towards the mat, but not touching. Hover your shoulders just above the mat. Hover your legs above the ground here. Feel that shake in the core. And inhale back up to your regular boat pose. Reach through the fingertips. Keep your spine long, shin bones parallel to the bottom of the mat here. Exhale to half boat. Round the spine. Let's bring the low back towards the mat. Hover the legs just above the earth. And let's release everything down to the mat. Reach through the toes. Let's reach up. Bring the fingertips long overhead. Just enjoy some deep, restful breaths here. Deep breaths. And go ahead and bring the knees to the chest here. We're going to rock and roll down along to our spine here. Give yourself a little back massage. Rock and roll a little bit side to side. And And just release the legs out long. Let the shoulders kind of shimmy under you here. Feet flop down a little bit wider than your hips. Palms flipped up to the sky. This is Shavasana. You can stay here as long as you like. When you're ready, feel free to roll to your right side and make your way up to an easy seated position. Thank you for sharing your practice with me. Namaste. Home. Stay healthy, y'all.